Alright, so welcome back. I have a special treat for you guys. I'm just prepping all my herbs and vegetables that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be making Brussels sprouts and salmon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate the salmon and leave it in the refrigerator for about a good 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and finish prepping these Brussels sprouts. I don't like the stems on there. And we'll see you in a bit. Yeah, just putting something together real quick for the family. Alright, so we're going to set that in the refrigerator. We got everything else that we use in prep. These are the seasonings we're going to be using today on the salmon. Alright, so with that, we let the salmon marinate in there for about 20-30 minutes to leave it in there, so really get some good flavor. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to portion. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put the dry rub and whatever seasonings we're going to use on there. Well, let me get some of this moisture off. You want a lot of the moisture off of it so the seasoning stick, but you do as you please. That's just how I like to do it. Alright, so I'm just getting the moisture off, and then we're going to go ahead and put the dry rub and the seasonings, add the seasonings to it. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with the salmon rub. I have my ginger. I love ginger. I don't know if y'all like ginger. You know I gotta come through with garlic. Garlic, that's my favorite seasoning. Paprika. Add a black pepper. Alright, so once you get it all seasoned up, I'm gonna pan fry it. And then I'm gonna make a glaze. So we got red wine, green onions, red onions, garlic, and we have some lemon to garnish. Put a little olive oil on the Brussels sprouts just to make the seasoning stick. Any type of seasoning you want in your vegetables. I'm choosing to use the same, it's about the same seasonings I have on the fish. Alright, so I just got through putting the olive oil in the pan. We're going to wait for it to heat up. Right now we're just browning the Brussels sprouts. Get a nice little brown color on them. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of cooking wine. We're gonna cover it. Add a little bit of more white seasoning to the Brussels sprouts. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of butter for the Brussels sprouts. Right now we're going to be making the glaze. I put a half stick of butter in, and I'm putting about a tablespoon of honey. Minced garlic, green onions, my onions, red onions, but you use whatever type of onions you like, right? Black pepper. And you season to taste. Season whatever seasonings you like putting in there. I'm gonna just do garlic, salt, and pepper. I love garlic. Maybe a little Italian seasoning. Yeah, the salt.
What you just add?
I just added some of your green seasoning. You don't want to cook it on high, you want to kind of keep it, I'd say around medium. Just kind of let it reduce a little bit. And I'm going to add my red wine to the mix. Leave it uncovered, so I'll kind of reduce and thicken up a little bit. Alright. Check the Brussels sprouts. All right, so I did add some more ginger and some more garlic to the glaze. This is just about reduced down to where I want it. I'm just trying to get some of that moisture out. The wine is cooked down. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn the heat on. Check on these Brussels sprouts. Really looking good. I like mine to kind of have like a, everybody like it, it's kind of roasted. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour the glaze over the fish.